Now you want to make sure when you're using GS Hypo Cement that you put the cap on right away, right after you finish using it. Otherwise, the glue will ooze out of the tip and you will have a sticky mess. So you really do want to make sure that it's capped whenever it's not in use. So I'm going to uncap it, and you see that it's got a needle tip. Mine is old, well-loved, well-used, and I'm almost ready to start a new tube. The needle tip here is a little bit bent, but that's from use. It has nothing to do with how difficult or easy it is to close. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but I can tell that this glue is already, you see that bead of glue? I hope you can see that. There's a bead of glue already oozing out of there. So you want to make sure the first thing you do is clean off the tip. Now you're going to hold the glue with the tip resting on your finger. Then you're going to take the needle in the cap and you're going to rest it on the same finger, and you're going to slowly glide that in, and you're guiding it. You're doing it more by feeling than by seeing. See, it went right in there. And there we go. No mess, no fuss. Now I'm going to show you how to do the same thing with my fine tip applicator bottle. This is PVA glue. It's acid free. I do scrapbooking and card making, so I have put some PVA glue into this fine tip bottle. Now over time this pin did bend a little bit. It's not a problem, it still goes back in. This one will not ooze out usually if I leave it uncapped, but I don't like it to clog up, so I cap mine right away. And it's the same principle, right? I rest the tip against my finger. I take the pin, I rest that against the same finger, and I slowly guide that in with this finger. You see how I'm pressing up a little bit? And it goes right in. Now I'm going to do it one more time with the GS Hypo Cement because I know this one is really frustrating. So I'm going to take the cap off. I'm resting it on my finger, my non-dominant hand, and I'm holding the cap with the needle in my dominant hand, and I am slowly gliding it, and I'm pressing, and it slides right into place. And there we go. And no mess. I don't have it all over my hands. So I hope this helped you, and let me know if you are struggling with anything else, little things that maybe I can help with, a tip or a trick. And if you'd like to share in the comments, maybe you can share your own tips and tricks for just little things that other people struggle with, but you have a tip and you've mastered it. So thank you for watching today. And please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, click on the bell so you'll be notified when I have a new video that is posted. And thank you again. Try to stay cool. I hope my air conditioner wasn't too noisy. I had to have it on because it's about 1,000 degrees here in New York City. So have a great summer, everyone. I will see you before the end of the summer because I plan to have a few more videos before summer is over. Thanks again, everybody. Bye now. Hi, everyone. It's Jeanette from Jewelry by Jeanette. And today's video is a viewer request. In my last video, I briefly showed how I close my GS Hypo Cement with a needle tip cap. But unfortunately, I was out of frame and really couldn't see what I was doing. And I do apologize for that. I was having some issues with my camera setup. So today I'm going to show you up close and clearly how I put the cap back on my GS Hypo cement, and also another fine tip glue bottle that I have right here. And I know that a lot of people struggle with this. I hope that this tip will help you out, and I know it helps. It works for me, and I usually get it on the first try. Sometimes it takes me 2 or 3, but it's certainly not difficult. So here we go.